Hello everyone. So for today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing. This is the Michael Kors Extra Small Ava. So this is in the color powder blush. So I got this monogram with my initials, as you can see. It's a pretty bag. So the inside is, you got a zip pocket in the back here and another pocket in the front. And there's a back pocket too outside. So it came with this crossbody strap and a top handle. I think I'm gonna just use this as a top handle. It's a very cute bag. And as you can see on the side, you can just unsnap this one to have more space. Let's see. Or you can just snap it. So this comes with a gold hardware, as you can see. Oh, this is a little crooked. Let's see. Let me fix this. There you go. Okay, it's a very cute bag. So that's it, guys. So this is again the Michael Kors Extra Small Ava. Thank you for watching.